Wala lang, na-realize ko lang. Lahat ng kailangan ko, it's already within me. At kapag pala hindi ka nagreklamo, kumilos ka lang agad, magagawa mo pala lahat ng bagay, no? Kahit pagod ka, naantok, basta gawin mo lang yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi hindi mapagpatawad ang adulthood. Wala siyang hinihintay. Kahit anong sitwasyon mo, kailangan kumilos ka pa rin. So yun, ganun yung ginawa ko kagabi. Natapos ko na yung finals, 2 subjects to go. It only rewards you for your action. It doesn't care what is your situation. So that is adulthood and the reality of it. Good morning.